Now we're going to share out the images or figurative language that you highlighted. What patterns do you see in the images and figurative language that were highlighted? Let's look at the emboldened words in this excerpt from the poem. What do the highlighted lines reveal about the poet's point of view? And what message is the poet trying to convey? As we discuss this, I want you to consider the following. Be sure to paraphrase each of the highlighted phrases separately and consider how they represent the author's point of view separately. What is surprising about the line, "and some books ought to burn"? What would you expect this poet's opinion to be about book burning? What could burning a book mean figuratively? What two things are ignorant according to the poet? Now I want you to reread the poem with your partner or group. I want you to put a star next to the parts of the text that relate to Fahrenheit 451. Then I want you to jot notes in the margins about how each part of the text relates to Fahrenheit 451. One connection I noticed was the miles of on thought in cities around line 15 reminds me of people engaging in mindless activities, like Millie sitting in the TV parlor watching the programs. And when Montag asks her what she is watching, she isn't able to coherently explain. I'm going to give you about 5 minutes to complete this activity. Now in your reading log, I want you to answer the question on the slide. What is one common theme in burning a book in Fahrenheit 451? Remember, you have the 4 themes listed on the first page of your anchor text theme tracker for Fahrenheit 451. You're going to need to support your response with at least one example with citations from both texts. You will have 10 minutes to complete this activity. Congratulations! You have completed Lesson 15 of the Fahrenheit 451 unit. In this lesson, you analyzed Montag's reaction to Beatty's speech and analyzed why the title of the first section of the text is significant. And then you analyzed the imagery and figurative language and how a poet uses these devices to develop a theme.